astronomy enthusiasts! Welcome to our exciting astronomy trivia smackdown. I'm your host, Kai, and I'll be your guide through this celestial adventure. Are you ready to challenge your understanding of the cosmos? Let's begin. Question number 1. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Mars, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, D. Uranus. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. This gas giant is truly massive, with a diameter of over 11 times that of Earth. Its colossal size is one of the many wonders of our solar system. Question 2. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Neptune, C. Mars, D. Saturn. The correct answer is D. Saturn. With 146 as confirmed so far, Saturn has the most number of moons. Jupiter comes second with 95 moons. Question 3. What is the name of the largest moon in the solar system? A. Titan, B. Europa, C. Ganymede, D. Triton. The correct answer is C. Ganymede. The moon orbits Jupiter and is larger than the planet Mercury, making it the largest moon in our solar system and a fascinating subject of study for astronomers. Question 4. What is the hottest planet in our solar system? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Earth. The correct answer is Venus. Venus is the hottest because of its thick atmosphere that traps heat due to the greenhouse effect. Temperature on Venus goes up to 464 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to even melt lead. Question 5. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is bigger than Earth. A. True, B. False. It's true. The Great Red Spot, Jupiter's giant storm, is big enough to fit 3 Earths inside it and has been raging for hundreds of years. Question 6. What's the angle at which Earth's axis is tilted? A. 23.5 degrees, B. 24.5 degrees, C. 25 degrees, D. 21.3 degrees. The correct answer is A, 23.5 degrees. Earth's axial tilt is about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the main cause of the seasons on our planet. Question 7. Which is the tallest planetary mountain in the solar system? A. Mount Everest, B. Olympus Mons, C. Mauna Kea, D. Mount Chimborazo. It's B, Mount Olympus Mons. The Martian mountain is nearly 3 times Mount Everest with a height of about 25 kilometers and is the tallest planetary mountain in the solar system. It is also the largest volcano in our solar system. Question 8. Which planet spins the fastest in the solar system? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. The correct answer is C, Jupiter. Being the largest planet of the solar system, it has a strong gravity to attract the most mass as it travels through space. Jupiter takes 9 hours and 56 minutes to complete one rotation, making it the planet with the shortest day in the solar system. Question 9. What is the closest star to Earth other than the Sun? A. Proxima Centauri, B. Alpha Centauri A, C. Sirius, D. Betelgeuse. The correct answer is A. Proxima Centauri. This tiny red dwarf star is located a mere 4.24 light years, or 39.9 trillion kilometers, away from us, making it the closest known star to our solar system. Just for the sake of comparison, the Sun is around 150 million kilometers away from us. Question 10. Which constellation does North Star belong to? A. Ursa Major, B. Orion, C. Cassiopeia, D. Ursa Minor. The correct answer is D. Ursa Minor. Polaris, also known as the North Star, resides within the constellation Ursa Minor and serves as a valuable navigational aid, guiding travelers and astronomers alike. Question 11. These swirling clouds of gas and dust are stellar nurseries, where new stars are born. What are they called? A. Comets, B. Asteroids, C. Nebula, D. Black hole. The correct answer is C. Nebula. These swirling clouds of gas and dust are called nebula. They are the cradles of star formation, providing the raw materials for future suns and planetary systems. Question 12. What is the fuel source that powers stars? Is it A. Nuclear fusion or B. Nuclear fission? It is nuclear fusion. All stars are powered by the process of nuclear fusion. In the cores of stars, where there is incredible pressure and heat, hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium atoms. This fusion process releases a tremendous amount of energy, which is what makes stars shine so brightly. It's the same concept behind the idea of nuclear fusion power plants, which are still under development here on Earth. Question 13. What's the name of the phenomenon where a star collapses under its own gravity, resulting in a violent explosion? A. Supernova, B. Black hole, C. Neutron star, D. Red giant. The correct answer is A. Supernova. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it undergoes a catastrophic collapse, leading to a brilliant explosion known as a supernova, which can outshine entire galaxies for a brief period. Question 14. What's the phenomenon where a massive star collapses into a point of infinite density with gravity so strong that not even light can escape? A. White dwarf, B. Neutron star, C. Supernova, D. Black hole. The correct answer is D. Black hole. Black holes are one of the most enigmatic and mysterious objects in the universe, exerting a gravitational pull so intense that they warp space-time itself, trapping everything, including light, within their event horizon. Question 15. What's the phenomenon where light is bent due to the gravitational pull of a massive object, such as a galaxy or a black hole? A. Gravitational lensing, B. Stellar aberration, C. Redshift, D. Cosmic microwave background radiation. Correct answer is A. Gravitational lensing. This fascinating effect, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, allows astronomers to study distant objects and uncover hidden aspects of the universe by observing how their light is distorted by gravity. Question 16. What's the phenomenon where a small fraction of sunlight is scattered by the Earth's atmosphere, resulting in a blue sky during the day? A. Rayleigh scattering, B. Absorption, C. Reflection, D. Refraction. The correct answer is A. Rayleigh scattering. This process, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh, is responsible for the blue color of the sky, with shorter blue wavelengths of light being scattered more effectively than longer wavelengths such as red and orange. Question 17. What are planets outside our solar system called? A. Asteroids, B. Comets, C. Twins, D. Exoplanets. The correct answer is D. Exoplanets. Planets outside our solar system are called exoplanets or extrasolar planets. Most of them discovered so far are in a relatively small region of our galaxy, the Milky Way. NASA most recently announced the discovery of a potentially habitable planet called TOI-715b. This super-Earth is larger than Earth, but orbits a small, cool star within the zone where liquid water could exist on the planet's surface. Question 18. What is dark energy? A. A type of radiation emitted by black holes. B. A hypothetical form of energy that accelerates the expansion of the universe. C. The energy generated by stars in the late stages of their life cycle. D. The force that holds galaxies together. The correct answer is B. Dark energy is the hypothetical form of energy that is thought to permeate all of space and is believed to be responsible for the observed acceleration of the universe's expansion. It is distinct from other forms of energy and matter, such as radiation or ordinary matter, and its exact nature remains one of the most significant mysteries in modern physics. It's supposedly making the universe expand at an accelerating rate, and approximately 68.3% to 70% of the universe is dark energy. Question 19. What's the name of the first man-made satellite launched into space? A. Explorer 1. B. Vanguard 1A. C. Sputnik 1. D. Pioneer 1. It is Sputnik 1. On October 4th, 1957, the Soviet Union launched the Earth's first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1. The successful launch came as a shock to experts and citizens in the United States who had hoped that the United States would accomplish this scientific advancement first. It marked the beginning of the space age and initiated the space race between the Soviet Union and the United States. Question 20. What's the name of the spacecraft that's been exploring the outer regions of our solar system since 1977? A. Voyager 1. B. New Horizons. C. Juno. D. Rosetta. The correct answer is A. Voyager 1. Launched by NASA in 1977, Voyager 1 continues its journey beyond the boundaries of our solar system, carrying with it a golden record containing sounds and images of Earth, representing humanity's spirit of exploration. That concludes our astronomy quiz. I hope you enjoyed challenging your knowledge of the universe and discovering more about the wonders of space. Remember, the cosmos is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Please don't forget to subscribe for more fun trivia games like this one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.